have a very special recipe for you. I feel like we're switching it up a little bit. We've done a lot of food recipes, but this week we're doing a cocktail recipe. It's great because it's still right on the edge of citrus season. We've almost missed it, but just before it goes, we're gonna make sure to make palomas with some awesome grapefruits. Actually, our shirts are kind of Paloma themed. They are. So first thing you wanna do is you just wanna kind of run either a piece of grapefruit or a bit of lime wedge around the edge of your glass and face down onto your plate of salt, just to add that nice salty rim. And it's totally optional, obviously. Not everyone wants a salt rim. So we're going to juice a fresh lime, and we only need about a tablespoon per drink. The best thing about these kinds of recipes is it's totally adjustable to what you like in terms of flavor. You like a little boozier, add less juice. Like a little juicier, add more juice. All right, and then we're going to juice these beautiful grapefruits. Wow, those are actually stunning. I love palomas. So each one gets a 1/4 cup of grapefruit juice. So then we're gonna add a teaspoon of simple syrup, and you can just make this yourself and keep it on hand if you make cocktails at home often. It's equal parts water and white sugar. If you don't have simple syrup, you also can just add a teaspoon of sugar in there. Just make sure that you stir it up within the cocktail glass so that it dissolves. Second to last step is we're gonna add our tequila. You can either use tequila or mezcal, whatever you prefer. And we're gonna put about a 1/4 cup in each cocktail glass, so that's about 2 shots. The last step is just to top off each of these with a little bit of soda water. All right, so your cocktail is done. Now it's just time to make it look really pretty. So we are just, So now we are going to finish off our cocktail with a cute little citrus wedge wheel. You can either do a big chunk of grapefruit, you could do a lime wheel, you could do an orange wheel, whatever, just something kind of cute and festive to add at the end. That's cute. The reason why I really love Palomas is the balance of like the fizziness and the sweetness from the grapefruit and then the little kick from the tequila. It would be really good with mezcal in it, kind of for that smoky, like